Good afternoon. We are here at the Fellows on their roof. We're going to remove and replace this damaged ridge cap that is tied into the field shingles on the front slope. I'd also like to notate some wind damage on the front slope itself, which underneath these two boots. So we're going to focus on this one, document the results of the overlapping shingles on this front slope in the field. Just a view here, show where we're at, and we will get started. That piece. If you'll note, as we lifted that, trying to remove that due to the dryness of these shingles, caused this one to tear, which means just by removing that, it's already caused damage in the field. And if we were to repair that other damaged shingle, it would also cause additional consequential damage. Back in. Just to document this here, if we were to come up underneath and nail these so that they're not exposed, will then also cause creases to these field shingles. Although the field shingle was already damaged before we started reapplying nails. there. While removing, we got a tear, and then while re-nailing those, we got a crease.